My name is Iko Manggede Aditya Putra from 11 Social 1. I am in here one reading activity Life and Times of Ki Hajar Dewantara Raden Mas Suwardi Suryaningrat. The development of good character should be the heart and soul of education, and should dominate the spring of teaching. This was the philosophy of the father of education in Indonesian, Ki Hajar Dewantara. The reason, he said, was that teaching and character building are like two sides of a coin and cannot and should not be separated. Education by definition means building student lives in a strong foundation of good character, so that they would be civil humans of highness moral fiber, thus laying the foundation of a great nation without distinction of religion, ethnicity, customs, economic, and social status. Ki Hajar Dewantara was born in the royal family of Yogyakarta on 2 May 1889. His gift name was Raden Mas Suwardi Suryaningrat, which he later changed to renounce his connection with the royal family. He transformed himself into an activist, columnist, politician, and pioneer of education for Indonesians. He fought for the rights of Indonesians during the Dutch and Japanese colonial eras. He was born into an actionary family, and that granted him the privilege of free access to education of his choice. He got his primary education from ELS, European Secondary Schools. Then he continued his education at Stovia, Java Medical School, but due to health reasons, he could finish it. He started writing for newspaper, and actually all his writing were focused on Indonesian patriotism. Thus anti-Dutch, he was involved in the early activities of Budi Utomo and the Indonesia Party, which are both important in the early development of the pergerakan, the movement that grew up with an assessment of Indonesian national political consciousness. He was exiled between 1913 and 1919. Following the publication of two these the articles, als ik in the Netherlands if a Dutchman and earn for allen and allen for an, one for all and all for one. He used his time in exile to learn more about education and obtain a European certificate. Following his return, he focused more on cultural and education efforts, paving the way to development education concept in Indonesia. He believed the education is very important and the most important means of freeing Indonesians from the cults of the colonization. He played the leading role the establishing National Underwich Institute Taman Siswa in 1922. This institution was established to educate the native Indonesian during colonial times. This institution was based on the practices. One in Ngarso Sungtolodo, the one in front set example. In Madyo Mangunkarso, the one in the middle wields the spirit and encouragement. Tutwori Handayani, the one of the back gives support. Ki Hajar Dewantara believed the Character was not merely the only concept, but the practical and the living concept. He embodied his vision in his school, Taman Siswa. The control goals of Taman Siswa emphasize character building, including traits such patriotism and love for the nation, and sense national identity. His vision that Indonesia would be from colonial powers to fight for independence and have the character. He continued writing, but his writings took from politics to education. This writing later highlight the foundation of Indonesian education. Honorable Masonry and Tagore influenced his educational principles, and in Taman Siswa, he drew some inspiration from Tagore's Santiketan. After independence, he was given the office of Minister of Education and Culture. For his efforts pioneering education for the masses, he was named the designated father of Indonesian education, and his birthday in the celebrated at the National Education Day. His birthday was the 200 rupiah novelty 2002 and has one official in as a national hero of Indonesia by the second president of Indonesia on 2 1 2 8 2 8 28 November 159. Yaja Dewantara passed away on 26 April 109 152 at the age of 69 years old. His wife Donat Alkiaja Dewantara belongs to Dewantara Kertigriya Museum in Yogyakarta. He was a great one who spent his whole life serving his people and country. Thank you for attention.